Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of our exponent chapter. Here we are dealing with the important questions from grade 8. Okay, so let's start with the first question. One by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. Okay, so we have to solve this question. So 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 can be written as 2 to the power 2. We have discussed in the last class also that 1 by a to the power minus n can be written as a to the power n. If you take the example 1 by 5 to the power minus 3 can be written as 5 to the power 3. And you can write vice versa also. That means if 5 to the power 3, then we can write this as 5 to the power 1 by 5 to the power 1 by 5 to the power minus 3. Okay, simple. So 1 by 2 to the power minus 2, I have written it as 2 to the power 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2, I can write this as 3 to the power 2 and plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2 can be written as 4 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 2, it is 4 plus 3 to the power 2, it is 9 plus 4 to the power 2, it is 16. So total 4 plus 9, 13 plus 16, 29. This is your answer. Okay. Next question. Find the value of x for which 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 into 5 by 3 to the power minus 5 is equal to 5 by 3 to the power 3x. Okay. See, here we can see we have the same base. So we have remembered that if there is same base, suppose a to the power m into a to the power n and different exponent, but the sign is multiplication, then we add the power. Okay, that means I am going to apply the same formula here also. Same base, our base is 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 plus minus 5. Okay, equal to 5 by 3 to the power 3x. Now 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 5 by 3 to the power 3x. Okay, so it can be written as 5 by 3 to the power minus 9 equal to 5 by 3 to the power 3x. Okay, now you can see we have the same base. That means we can apply the another concept that if there is a to the power m equal to a to the power n, that means we can say we have the same base, so power will get equal. So it is m equal to n. Let me take you an example. Suppose if a to the power m is given as a to the power 3. So from here we can find the m equal to 3. Okay. So same way I am applying the formula here. It is 5 by 3 to the power minus 9 equal to 5 by 3 to the power 3x. So minus 9 equal to 3x. So x equal to minus 3. So this is your answer. Okay. Next question. Find the value of x for which 4 by 9 to the power 4 into 4 by 9 to the power minus 7 equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. Same concept that we have applied in the last question, we can apply here also. So 4 by 9 to the power 4 plus minus 7 equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. So we can write this as 4 by 9 to the power 4 minus 7 equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. So it is 4 by 9 to the power minus 3 equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. So we can see we have the same base on both the sides. So I can write this as minus 3 equal to 2x minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 equal to 2x. It is minus 2 equal to 2x. You can cancel this out and you will get minus 1 equal to x. That means x equal to minus 1 is our answer. Okay. Next question. If 5 to the power 2x plus 1 is divided by 25 equal to 125, find the value of x. Okay. So 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25. Can I write this as 5 to the power 2? Yes. Equal to 125. That I can write as 5 to the power 3. 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5, or in short we can write 5 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 2x plus 1 can be, see, if this is division this side, if it will go this side, it will get multiplied. So 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. So 5 to the power 2x plus 1 equal to 5 to the power, see, we'll add the power. Why will add the power? Because we have the same base. So it is 5 to the power 5. Now you can see we have the same base on both the side. So we can write this 2x plus 1 equal to 5, 2x equal to 4, 5 minus 1 4, and then we will get 2x equal to 4, so x equal to 4 by 2, it is 2. So finally we have got x equal to 2 as your answer. Okay, let us do the next question. Express each of the following numbers in the standard form. Okay, see, there are many ways by which you can convert the usual number into a standard form, but how? Let us see. I will try to solve this question by very basic method, so please concentrate on this question. 6872. Okay, if I divide it by 1000, at the same time I have to multiply it by 1000. Okay, we have learned in our class that if you multiply, suppose I take a number 5, if I multiply by 2 and divide at the same time by 2, the answer will remain the same. Question is unchanged here. Okay, there is no impact on the question. That means if you are multiplying a number with another number and dividing it by same number, okay, then you will get the same result. Okay. So in short, we can say, suppose I have a number A, if I multiply it by M and divide it by M, that means in short, I will get A. Okay. So same thing. Now, what I can write this as 6872 divided by 1000. I will get this as 6.872 into. Now, this I can write as 10 to the power 3. So I have written the first question in the standard form. Now, many people may ask, sir, why have you divided it by 1000 only? Always remember, in a standard form, we want only one digit as our before, you can say before the decimal. Suppose if you want to convert this 482 into a standard form, what you are going to do? You are going to put the decimal here. Okay. And for putting decimal here, you have to follow all the process. Okay. So if I try to solve this question, and I want to write this in a standard form, what I am going to do? 482 divided by 100, because I want the decimal here, okay, into 100, because if I am multiplying the number, then I will have to divide it also, or if I am dividing the number, I have to multiply it also. Now I can see what I can write this as. I can write as this as 4.82, and 100 can be written as 10 to the power 2. So this question can be written as this in the standard form. Okay, we want only one digit before the decimal. Okay, now let me do the next question. Second one, 14000. No, it is 4 times 0. What we are going to do? We want decimal here. Okay, so before writing decimal, can I write this as 14 into 10 to the power 4? I can write this because there are 4 0. Now, I want to convert this into decimals. How I can do? I will divide it by 10. I will get 1.4. But at the same time, I have to multiply and I will write the rest one also 10 to the power 4. So now you can see 1 by 4, oh sorry, 14 by 10 can be written as 1.4 into this. You can see nothing power 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 4. Same base, you will add the power, so it is 10 to the power 5. So you get the answer. Okay? Very basic way by which you can solve this question. Now, next, let me do the third one here. One, 5, 3, 6. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can write 10 to the power 7. Okay. Now I want the decimal part to be here. Okay. So what I can do that? 1536 divided by 1000. Okay. Into. I'm multiplying the same number by 1000 and then writing the rest part. Now you can see I can write this as how much? 1.536 into. Now, this can be 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3 and then I can write 10 to the power 7. Now you can see 1.536 into now same base add the power. So you will get 10 to the power 10 and this is your answer. Okay, next question. The diameter of the sun is 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter. Okay. And the diameter of the earth is 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7 meter. So that the diameter of sun is nearly 100 times the diameter of the earth. Okay. Now, nearly, that means we are not going to get the exact value. But see, what we can do is, what is the diameter of the sun? We know diameter of the sun is more than the earth. So how many times? Okay, so number of the times I can write number of the times equal to 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 divided by 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7. Okay, now let us discuss one more concept. If you have the same base and the case is of division, that means see, we have base as A and power we have m and n respectively. So the answer will be A to the power m minus n. That means power will get subtracted. Okay, so just subtract the power. Okay, now see, we have got the same base here but different powers. Now you can subtract this. So you can write this 1.4 divided by 1.2756 and you can see into 10 to the power 9 minus 7. Yes or no? That means if you subtract 9 minus 7 because I am having the same base. Now 1.4 into 9 minus 7, 10 to the power minus, that means 10 to the power 2 divided by 1.2756. Okay. Now you can see 1.4 into 100 divided by 1.2756. Now this you can see I can write this as just 140 divided by 1.2756. If you divide it, you will get you will get 109 point something. Okay, 109.75. Okay, so that means nearly this is around 110, but they have asked to only prove it by 100 times. It's okay. We don't have to find the exact answer. Mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and mass of the moon is 7.35 into 10 to the power 22 kg. What is the total mass? Okay, so total mass equal to mass of earth plus mass of moon. What is mass of earth? 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 plus what is the mass of the moon? 7.35 into 10 to the power 22. Okay, now see, we have got the mass of earth and the mass of moon, and you can see minimum is common. What is 10 to the power 22 and 10 to the power 24? That means 10 to the power 22 is common in both. Yes or no? So what we are left with? 5.97 into 10 to the power 2 plus 7.35 into 1. Okay? Now solve this question. 10 to the power 22. Now 5.97 into 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 is 100. So 597 plus 7.35. So it is 10 to the power 22 into, now you can write this as 604.35. But this is not in the standard form. Okay. We have to write this in a standard form. How we can do that? See, we want the decimal to be here. Okay, we want decimal to be here. That means for that we have to divide this number by 100, and at the same time I am multiplying this number by 100. So I will get 6.0435 into 10 to the power how much? See, 10 to the power 22 and 10 to the power 2. So it is 10 to the power 24. So your final answer is 6.0435 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So this is your answer final. Okay. The value of x for which 7 by 12 to the power minus 4 into 7 by 12 to the power 3x equal to 7 by 12 to the power 5. So we have the same base, add the power 7 by 12 to the power minus 4 plus 3x equal to 7 by 12 to the power 5. Since we have got the same base on both the sides, we can equate the powers, that minus 4 plus 3x equal to 5, 3x equal to 5 plus 4, 3x equal to 9, and then x will be equal to 3. Okay, so this is your answer. By what number should minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient is this? Okay, we don't know the number. So let the number be x. Number be x. Okay, now we want to divide this. So minus 2 by 3 whole to the power minus 3 divided by x will give us 4 by 9 to the power minus 2. Okay. Now, what is minus 2 to the power minus 3? So we can write this as minus 3 by 2 to the power 3. See, we are on the day 3. That means we have already discussed most of the concept in our last part 1 and part 2. So if you find anywhere the doubts in the concept, please revise both the videos. Okay. So it is this divided by x equal to, we can write this 9 by 4 to the power 2. So we'll get this as 27 minus 27 by 8 divided by x equal to 81 by 16. Okay. Now, now I've taught you that I can write this minus 27 by 8 divided by x equal to 81 by 16. I can write this as minus 27 by 8 into 1 by x because it is x by 1. So I will reverse it. So write the reciprocal 1 by x and change the division sign into multiplication. It is 81 by 16. Now you can cancel it. This you will get cancelled by 3 minus 1 and then it will have 3 times. Now 8 to the 16. So you will get minus 1 by x equal to 3 by 2. So from here x will be equal to minus 2 by 3. So finally we have got the value of x equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay. We can do this question by different method also, but it's okay to solve this question by step by step. Okay. So thank you so much for attending this part. We have another part of the exponent also. So please wait for the next part. Till then, please revise all the concepts that we have discussed in part 1, part 2 and part 3. Thank you so much for attending this session. Bye.